Unplug the power cord first. Use a 3mm screwdriver. Remove the 2 screws first. The meter can be taken off. Then loosen this screw. After the side screws are loose, tighten the top screws. Note that you cannot use an electric screwdriver for this screw. You need to tighten it manually. There's a little spacer here. Then you can pull it out. Disassemble other components in sequence. This aluminum ring is a little difficult to remove. You need to use tools to pry it off. Gently pry around so that the aluminum ring can be removed. Then unplug the power cord of the car light. Next step is to remove the brake. Remove the 2 screws on the side. The front fork can now be disassembled. There is a tapered surface that needs to be pointed upward. When installed, be careful not to install it backwards. Then install the front fork. Follow the disassembly steps and put the parts back together again. Now put the riser on. Then install the top screws. After tightening, check whether the seat tube and the front fork are properly fixed. Then install the 2 screws on the side, but do not tighten them yet. Next is to install the tires. Align it with the interface and push it in. Adjust the quick release lever and install the tire.